Hello and welcome to our virtual Pampered Chef party. My name is Chris McDonald and I'll be the consultant that'll be working with you over the next few days. I'm going to invite you to take a look, take a real close look and watch what happens here as I share recipes and tips and ideas over the next few days that are going to help you make mealtime at your house more manageable. It's my goal to help you get dinner on the table in 30 minutes or less at less than $2 per serving. So I'm going to be sharing some ideas with you. I want to share with you what's for lunch today at my house. And I don't know if any of you have the ceramic egg cooker yet, but this is good for so many things. One of my favorites is there's a little microwave chocolate lava cake that or mug cake that you do in here. Oh my goodness, like 90 seconds and it's done. But let's talk about some healthier things. Like you're going to be able to do your scrambled eggs in here, make omelets in just, under 5 minutes. It's going to be from the time you start until you're sitting down eating. Because it only takes a minute or two to cook, depending on what you're fixing in here and how many. But I want to show you another idea. Now you can do oatmeal in here and like just a ton of things that I'm sure I haven't even discovered yet. But let me tell you my newest idea. So I filled this with broccoli, fresh broccoli, and I just keep this bag of broccoli from Sam's. It's easy for me to just take out what I need, and I generally steam it. So let me show you what we're gonna do. This is just a quick lunch, okay? So I'm gonna put my fresh broccoli in here. I add about 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt. So you don't want very much at all. And then I'm gonna put an ice cube. Oops, I lost that one. An ice cube. I just put an ice cube in there, okay? Put the lid on. It has a little hole there for the steam. Now we'll set that aside and I'm gonna put that in the microwave for 2 minutes. Think about this, you can do this at the office. Any place that has a microwave, you could take your little ceramic egg cooker with your broccoli and pop it in for 2 minutes. I also think you could do like sliced carrots or cauliflower. I haven't tried all of those yet. I'm just so excited about the broccoli. So let's do just like they do on television. It makes me feel like such a gourmet chef, which I'm not at all. I'm just a mom and a grandma, and I'm just responsible for mealtime. So I want fast and easy ideas too. Look here. Maybe you can see the steam coming off. There's my steamed broccoli. Now, I didn't do anything but take it out of the bag. I didn't chop it or anything. Took it out of the bag and put it in that egg cooker for 2 minutes, right? With the ice cube, okay? These are my salad choppers. And they'll go right down in here. And so now I'm just chopping this. I'm gonna bring this out and show you, like when you go to some of the nice restaurants where you get perfectly steamed broccoli, it's still bright green, it's not mushy. That's what you've got here. Look at that. Now the reason why I went ahead and chopped it up is because to finish this off, let me put this down here where you can actually see what I'm doing. I have already grated some cheese. You will never find a bag of grated cheese at my house. I always grate my cheese because look at this. My cheese doesn't have that white powder on it. Do you know what that is? It is wood and cotton. It's cellulose powder that keeps your cheese from sticking together, from clumping up in the bag. I don't want that. I want my cheese to be nice and creamy. So I am always, always, always going to grate cheese at my home. So let me show you how this works. I just put my thumb right here and push that little button and it opens out to be over a bowl. I could grate right in here, stand it up and grate the way I was, and then you can lay it flat to store that in the drawer, okay? So I just put a handful of cheese. I don't have any measurements on this. You're just gonna make it the way you want. And I'm gonna stir that cheese in while the broccoli is still hot and the ceramic egg cooker is still hot. So this is a silicone band that you hold onto so that you can hold it and it won't burn your fingers. And then I'm just gonna put some butter. And if you're watching, like if you're doing Weight Watchers, you're watching your fat, then you just might want to put some butter spray in here, okay? Just stirring that all in. And then you take what you like, a milk, almond milk, half and half. I've got some heavy whipping cream here. and I'm going to throw in another ice cube, and that's only because the heavy whipping cream, that's what I had. I didn't have half and half, and that's actually a little bit thick. So I just put another ice cube in there, and then you get to decide how much do you want. Like, do you want this to be real soupy, or do you just want it to be more thick? Okay, so look at my broccoli cheese soup. You can make it in under 5 minutes. You can make that at an office or school, anywhere that has a microwave. And people are going to be saying, what on earth do you have for lunch, and how can I get one of those? Okay, this is the ceramic egg cooker. You can order it from your host party. And here's another thing I'm going to suggest, another way that you can get yours free. Think about just hosting a party. It is so easy to host a virtual party. So let me know if you'd like to book off of your host so that she can get credit for it. I look forward to spending the next few days with you. And be sure and interact with me. I'd love to get to know you. Bye-bye.